All right, this is the Hamilton Beach 8-quart slow cooker, and I was looking for a new one. I just got this one. Previously I had a Hamilton Beach 2, but the lid broke and it was super old, so I was just like, okay, let's go for a new one. And I did my research on this one. I really like Hamilton Beach because they're lead free, so that's something you really have to look out for in slow cookers. In all ceramics, they tend to have a lot of lead, so definitely make sure that you're using Hamilton Beach if you're worried about that. So it is an 8-quart, and it does fit in, it's hard to tell, I guess, but it will fit a like whole roast chicken, like a big one. It'll fit like a ton of meat, like a ton of soup. Like, it's great for, you know, preparing a large amount at one time. Family dinners, we always make extra to like freeze or keep for the next day. So I really wanted the bigger size, and that was a really good investment for our family, because we do you know, have a lot. We're just cooking all the time, basically. And I also like this one because it is programmable, so you are able to set the timer. My old one was like 5 years old, and there was no timer. I had to like set it on my phone or just try not to forget. So I'm really happy to have this option on this machine, and obviously you can change the temperature ranges there too. Super simple, straightforward to use, and I really am enjoying it. It stores well in a cabinet that I use. Just flip it up top like that, and it just slides in pretty easily. So definitely recommend it, especially if you're looking for lead free, like I said.